Add-on modules, RF glass. The RF glass add-on module analyzes deformations and stresses of glass surfaces. It is possible to create all glazing types in the module, such as single-layer glass, laminated as well as insulating glass. The RF glass add-on module analyzes the ultimate and the serviceability limit state of glass. The extensive material library contains a large number of commercially available glass types, foils and gases for the layer structure of the respective glass elements. For insulating glass, the calculation considers not only external loads, but also changes in temperature, atmospheric pressure, and altitude, which have an influence on the closed gas layer. Furthermore, you can define the load duration class, as well as the parameters for the serviceability limit state. The calculated results are displayed in clearly arranged tables. Outside the add-on module, the results can be displayed graphically.